and Scoop. Robots and Leia having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the Truck. Leo. Leo the Truck. Today, the cars have a big building job to do. And here are Leo and Leia. They've brought all the parts. Hello, Leo and Leia.
Hello.
Hello.
Lifty says hello too. What have you got there? Oh, it's a television. Scoop is digging the foundations. They're ready. Cement mixer! The cement mixer is pouring concrete. The robots have found some old car tires. Oh dear, be careful.
Oh my!
Those are lovely glasses out of the tires. Robots, stop messing about. Let's build a house. The foundations are ready. The tires have fallen over again? Stop running around. We're trying to build something here.
Hey!
Careful, Leia is behind you.
Oh, hey! Stop that!
Robots, Leia is right. Stop messing about. Look, Lifty needs your help. He needs to put the television somewhere where it won't fall down. Make him a stand out of tires. Another tire. And another one. That's great. Time to assemble the parts of the house. The crane is putting up the first wall. And the robots have brought the windows. The first one. And the second. Now for the other walls. And these big pink arches are for the roof. One more window. Some yellow gables. And that's the door. Scoop is hammering in a post. It looks like the pole of a stacking toy. Aha! Of course, the robots are putting tires on the pole. And on top of that, a blue roof with solar panels. It looks great. The robots have gone to fetch the television.
Not this time. Better do it myself.
You need to treat electronic things carefully. Lifty will fetch the television.
Oh.
But what's this? An extra part?
Huh?
Can you guess?
There we go.
If the television is going to work, it'll need an aerial. It won't show any cartoons otherwise. That dish is the aerial for your television. No, robot! Stop!
I know what we need.
Oh.
An aerial needs to be attached to a mast. What can we make a mast out of?
Huh?
That's no good. What about that? The red mast is just right. Leo, take the mast and the aerial to the house. The tower crane knows what to do.
Put up the mast.
They've set up the aerial.
Hooray! It works! That's great! Come inside!
Robots, stop pushing and arguing. Everyone's already inside. In you go. What a beautiful garage they've built for Lea.
Thank you!
Lifty and Scoop, robots and Lea, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the Truck. Leo. Leo the Truck. Leo the Truck and Excavator Scoop are playing with a ball. Hi there, you two. Are you playing soccer? That's nice. And what's Lea doing?
Oh. Huh?
Hello!
Hello.
Huh?
How beautiful.
Lea is decorating the garden in front of her garage. And the robots are playing with their car.
Oh?
The red robot has found a ball. Oh, they've run over the flowers.
Hey you, stop!
Calm down. They're only flowers.
Lea has taken away all the toys because the robots weren't playing carefully.
You don't understand. Scoop, it's a Japanese garden. And here, there's going to be a fountain.
It's a very difficult thing to build, actually.
Lea has decided to draw how the fountain will look.
Like that.
Oh. Wow, that's beautiful.
Let's find the parts.
Oh, and I'll dig a hole. Just a little bit more. Oh dear, oh dear.
Scoop has hit a rock. The stone needs to be pulled out, but it's heavy.
Hi there. Can I help?
Help us pull.
The cars all pull together, but they can't shift it. What about if the robots help? Hooray! They've got the rock out of the soil, and the crane will lift it out of the hole. The robot has put the rock next to the entrance to the garden. And here's Leo. He's brought the parts. Here's the reservoir of the fountain. That's where the water will be. Let's put some lights in to light the water up. A pump. Some pipes for the water to flow through. And that's the base, which we will stack the beautiful stones on. Here they are. The robots are putting some stones round the edge.
Hooray! Let's turn it on.
It's not working.
Oh,
It looks like we forgot the water.
Which vehicle carries water?
The cement mixer? Huh?
mm-mm.
The gas tanker?
Oh. The water tanker.
The water tanker will pump water into the fountain.
Thank you!
Look, the fountain is working. Splashes.
Robot!
Now the cars will be able to have even more fun playing next to Lea's garage. They built a really beautiful fountain. Lifty and Scoop, robots and Lea, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the Truck. Leo! Leo the Truck. It's winter outside. There is so much snow. The cars have put on warm hats and are about to go somewhere.
Phew. It's time for a snack. Cookies?
Oh? Mm-mm.
We're not there yet.
Oh? Hey.
Scoop, who do you see?
Are you going on a hike?
We're going into the mountains. Come with us.
No. Oh, I heard that the terrifying, abominable snowman lives there.
The cars are laughing because there's no such thing as the abominable snowman.
Well, suit yourself, but we're going.
See you.
See you.
Oh, look! Leo dropped the yellow doors. The mountains. Scoop's already at the top. Leo has unloaded all the parts. What are they going to build?
A car! A cable car!
They'll fasten the cable to support towers, then hang the gondolas to that, and the passengers will go up into the mountains in the gondolas.
The towers are in place.
This is a gondola. This is the grip, the part that connects the gondola to the cable. This is the ramp. The cars will use this to get into the gondola. The cable. The robots are already climbing up the hill. It's very difficult. Robots, why don't you help us finish building the cable car? Great work! They've brought another ramp and the control lever. The ramp is in position. The car is attached to the cable. Scoop, turn it on. It's working. Oh, one of the cabins doesn't have any doors.
Cha la 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 la, la la la. Oh!
And here are the doors which Leo needs.
Ah. Huh? Oh, well. I'd better go.
Lea is very kind. She's afraid to go into the mountains, but she really wants to help her friends.
What's wrong down there? I'm freezing already.
Oh.
The robots are getting into the car with no doors. They mustn't do that. It's very dangerous.
Scoop! Wait! Reverse!
What's the holdup?
Yeah, that was silly.
What are you sad for? Were you looking for something?
Thank you. But what about the terrifying, abominable snowman?
The doors are in place. The robots are very pleased. Mind the doors, please. Off we go. The robot's gondola is going up. They really enjoyed the ride. What's wrong? Something has scared the robots. They're coming back down. How strange.
The abominable snowman!
Don't be afraid, Lea. It's Scoop.
Cookies!
Robots, there's no need to be afraid of the abominable snowman. Go and play on the slopes. Look how the robots and cars are snowboarding down the mountainside. Oh dear, a snowdrift. Crash! The robots have landed in the snow. Now we've got 2 more abominable snowmen. What a lot of fun it is to play on the mountains. What an amazing cable car. Lifty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the Truck. Leo! Leo the Truck. Leo the Truck and his friends are getting in the harvest. What a bumper crop of vegetables! Leo's body is already full of carrots.
Leia, can you help?
I'm already here! Oh!
Yeah, we need more crates.
Fancy a carrot?
Where to unload them?
Over there?
Wait!
You can't unload vegetables straight onto the ground.
Let's build a barn.
Like a house?
Yes! A house for vegetables, fruit, and grain.
Off we go!
What a good idea, Leo. A barn lets you store vegetables for a long time. They won't dry out in the sun, and they won't get wet in the rain.
Up?
We'll build the barn here. And here are the parts. The floor. The frame, made of wooden beams. A ramp. The upper floor. A fence around the upper level. Some racks.
What are racks?
Shelves for the crates.
We need a lot of them. And here are the crates. Now we'll build the roof. Lamps to light up the inside. The back wall. And at the front, doors and a window.
Hooray!
The barn is ready. We can bring the vegetables inside.
Phew!
Leia is unloading the carrots. And now it's Leo's turn.
Robots, bring the crates!
Aren't they a bit heavy?
They say they're not heavy. Oh dear, be careful. Not having any luck?
Don't say I didn't warn you.
We need a lift.
We're off to search. Meanwhile, you can tidy up.
Lea and Leo are looking for parts of the lift.
Huh?
Found them?
Nope.
Look behind you.
There they are.
There they are.
The trucks are collecting up all the parts of the lift and taking them to the barn. And there are already lots of crates of vegetables here. Leo is going to construct the lift very quickly. The supports, the platform, the barrier, and 2 buttons, up and down. The robots can't decide who is going to press the button.
Robots, don't argue. Why don't you take it in turns?
Great idea! The blue robot is the first to press the button. Scoop is collecting the crates. Down they go. Purple robot, it's your turn. Down. It's a lot quicker getting the crates up using the lift. That really is a huge harvest. It's good that the barn is so big.
We did a good job.
Fancy a carrot?
Looks like it's not only vegetables who like the barn. Lifty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the Truck. Leo. Leo the Truck.
Leo! Scoop! Hello? Something's growing here. Oh.
A ball hit Leia's body. I wonder who's playing soccer.
Huh? Hello. Toss us the ball. We should try and play somewhere else. There are vegetables trying to grow here. Look.
Huh?
Uh-oh, the leaves are drooping. The vegetables aren't getting enough water.
Oh, I didn't do anything.
It's not you, Scoop. Vegetables need water to grow, and it hasn't rained in a long time.
Oh, it's hot.
Try watering the patch. The leaves aren't drooping anymore.
Hello?
Hello.
Cars, Leia's found your ball. You can go play soccer again. Lea, are you not going with them? Lea is upset because of the plants. She stayed behind to look after them. But the robots are more than happy to play soccer. Lifty's in goal. Whew, you even get hot standing in gold. Let's take a break.
It's time to cool off.
Scoops brought some ice cream. And Lea's carrying some water.
Lea, come play.
I can't. I'm busy. Can't you see that?
What are you doing?
I'm going to save the plants. Lea's not a player.
Need some help?
I can manage. Let's keep playing.
Scoop! Careful now. Lea's watering the patches with her big watering can.
It's run out again? The field is just so large.
They'll have to put together a water truck. Its tank can carry lots of water.
Oh?
Did somebody want to help?
Let's go then.
Huh?
Lea the Truck has brought the parts for the water truck. Let's put together the chassis. Let's attach fenders to the frame. These are the axles for the wheels. Two wheels on one side and two on the other. The cabin. The lights. The doors. The water tank. The hose. And the sprinklers. These have to be attached to both sides of the truck.
Hooray! Let's turn it on.
All the robots want to see how the water truck works.
Don't we need to...
Fill the water tank?
Robots, don't fight.
Let's go to the lake.
Come on, don't be upset. Someone else can drive it next time. The purple robot is putting the hose in the water. We're filling up the tank. All done. The trucks come to water the vegetable garden. Look, water's pouring out of the sprinklers. The truck is watering the patches so quickly. Well done, robot.
All the plants have been watered.
Only we're hot now.
If only someone would water us.
The robots have an idea. Driver, turn the truck around. Now we're making a car wash. It's nice to have rain on a warm, sunny day.
Look over here. A rainbow.
Huh? Wow!
Hey!
Scoop wants to play soccer.
Yeah.
A brilliant idea. They've watered the vegetables and can all play together. Lifty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the Truck.
Leo!
Leo the Truck. Autumn has come. The robots have gathered the harvest and are bringing boxes of apples into the storehouse. Let's go upstairs. Lifty's waiting for the robots there. Look how many boxes he's put on the shelves.
Thank you, robots.
And none of it even spilled out.
That's right. Great job. Careful, Scoop.
I can't reach.
I'll help out. All done.
The robots have seen something.
What is it?
Scoop, a box is falling.
Oh! Oh!
Watch out.
Oh!
Oh! Hello! Some of your apples have fallen.
Do you need help?
They do, Leo. You've got to put the boxes of apples at the very top. You'll need a really big forklift for that. Lifty and Scoop can't manage by themselves. It can't be done without a forklift.
Okay, let's go and make one.
Leo and Leia are going to get parts for a forklift truck. The forklift truck is big. They brought lots of parts. Even the robot is helping. Let's start putting it together. The red chassis, the battery pack. Our forklift truck will run on electricity. Red fenders for the front wheels. At the back, a yellow bumper with a socket for charging the battery. The robot has brought the front wheels. These are the two back wheels. The cabin. The driver's seat. The control panel. The pedals. The steering wheel. The lever for the forks.
Oh!
The doors. The lights. Rails for the forks. A small motor and cog. And another cog up top. The forks. Is that everything?
We've got to charge it first.
They've brought the forklift truck to the charging station. Let's stick the plug in. 1, 2, 3, 4. The battery is charged. Now let's get to work. To the storehouse. The robots are helping the cars gather up the apples and, as per usual, are messing around.
One apple, then another.
Have you got them all?
Yes, I think so.
Ah, thanks, Scoop. The big forklift is going up to the second level. Place the boxes on its forks.
Lift them up!
The robots lowered the lever,
Oh,
but the forks aren't going up.
oh.
Oh, the battery probably wasn't charged. We charged it up! Look, the lights are green!
We've forgotten something.
But no one knows what. Do you know, robots?
The lift?
That's it! The chain.
The chain is what lifts and lowers the forks.
Robot, no! We'll bring a different one.
Leo's looking for a chain at the junkyard. Where is it?
Here's what we need.
They've attached the chain to the forklift. The lever's down, and the forks are going up. We're lifting up the boxes and placing them on the topmost shelf. Wonderful! Some more boxes. So even and neat, and nothing is falling.
I think it's too high. Maybe we don't need to.
Don't worry. It's top work.